This is the two-way electric air pump. This is used for filling up things like air mattresses, outdoor towables for boats and things like that. Pretty much any heavy duty, then you're going to have to raise up with air. You're going to want to pick one of these up. I recently replaced this with an old Coleman unit I had. The thing was very old. It did a really great job, but we do a lot of outdoor activities, camping, things like that. So we have air mattresses, towables, things like that we're always inflating with, so we wanted to pitch something new up, and this is exactly what I was looking for. It comes with this lighter adapter here. Didn't use this, just pretty much just plug it into the house here. If you are doing outside activities, you probably will want to use an extension cord with this because the cord isn't too long, but if you're filling up smaller stuff or you have access to an outdoor outlet, this is going to be a perfect size cord here. You got these three adapters here. This would be one for inflating like smaller inner tubes, like a swimming pool, and then you have the larger ones here for just the air mattresses and the towables and things like that. And then this is the inflate right here. Then this is the deflate, and just got the on and off switch. This is a really simple electric air pump that's just going to do a phenomenal job. A lot of the smaller inflatables come with like a manual air pump. You absolutely need to do one of these if you're going to be blowing a couple of those up. They just take a significant amount of time and effort, and you're never going to get the amount of air in there that you would get in with one of these. So definitely check this out. It's the electric air pump. It's got all these accessories that come with it. It's a really great product.